So Samsung's already discontinuing the tri-foldable phone, which is not surprising at all. The point of the tri-foldable phone simply is just for them to say, hey, look, we can actually do this, and this is something that we can create. And really, that all it was. I mean, it was a very limited supply run anyway. So the fact that you have, currently a RAM crisis, a PC crisis, a everything crisis when it comes to technology, and yet they still were able to put out the actual phone is kind of amazing, to be honest. And that's what this always was meant to be. By the way, shout out to John here. I've posted this on Twitter. But, it was never meant to be a global thing, a widespread thing. While, yes, other companies are trying to make it like that, a widespread thing, and really push the envelope, Samsung really just wanted to show that they could do it. So, I guess it does mean we're not getting a second tri-foldable cell phone. We're only going to get one. And if you have one, it's going to be worth probably double the money it was before, because it's now a collector edition, or not collector edition, but a collector version, because it's limited. But as it says here, the company was sought by ceasing sales of the device in Korea, which it has been on sale since December. Samsung plans to discontinue the device in the US once it clears the inventory, which, I mean, for how much it costs, that's going to be interesting. But I'm sure there's going to be people who buy 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of these just so they can resell them for more money on the secondhand market. So, the concept is there, man. It's just, there's really just no practical use for this. One, software is not optimized for this big of a display when it comes to being a foldable display. Two, durability apparently was not the greatest with this phone, especially with it being a tri-foldable. And number three is just, it's way too much money. People can't afford this, man. People can't afford $3,000 phones. Maybe one day, but not today. So, I'm happy that Samsung at least pushed the envelope and tried to show what can be done. But I think even tri-foldable phones, regular foldable phones right now are having a hard time selling in certain avenues. So I can't imagine tri-foldable phones was going to be that successful. So, Samsung website already lists a tri-foldable phone is sold out, but customers are still able to buy the device at Samsung stores for $28.99, which is just ridiculously crazy. I mean, that's so much money for a tri-foldable cell phone. That, again, now that they're discontinuing, this is another thing. Now that they're discontinuing this, if you have a warranty on this, I wonder how that's going to work out. Because normally with a warranty, if your phone breaks and it's not your fault, you can get a replacement. Now that they're discontinuing this, I wonder how that whole situation kind of shakes out, and whether or not they will honor the warranties of these devices. Who knows? So, but yeah, again, kind of what you expect, man. Kind of what you expect when it comes to, brand new products. And this is why it is so, I'm going to say dangerous, but this is why it's so risky when you support first-gen products, right? The first gen of Samsung creating a tri-foldable phone. It could be great, and you could be backing the next big thing, or you could be pretty much the guinea pig for something that's about to fail. So you have two options here. Whenever you back a first-gen product, it could be, oh, this is a great idea, could in the future be a great device, or you're backing a device that's going to fail and 3 months later get discontinued, and now you're no longer going to get anything out of it, and if yours breaks, well, you spent $3,000 for nothing. You got $3,000 paperweight, and that's pretty much that. Yeah. It's a concept. It was a concept. And again, I still will say this is Samsung just trying to prove they could do this. I don't think this was ever meant to be anything special. It was supposed to be, hey, look what we can do if we wanted to. But it's just not practical, and with how much it costs to manufacture, it just doesn't make logical sense. So, it is what it is. See you guys next one, though. Peace.